We couldn't have asked for a more perfect day. We actually had temperatures climb up into the 80s, lower 80s, high of 83 degrees here in Lafayette. Still a beautiful evening here across the area, 82 degrees here in Lafayette with partly cloudy skies. Winds coming from the east-northeast at 12 miles per hour. It's pretty gusty right now, but that should die down as we head out throughout the evening. Taking a look at our satellite and radar, there are some showers and thunderstorms in the southern half of our state, but here across our region, we're actually staying dry. And I'm not expecting really any rain for the rest of the evening. But once again, we do have a beautiful evening ahead. High pressure is going to keep moving off to the east, and that's why we've actually been staying dry for the past few days. But once that high pressure moves out, we're actually going to see hot and humid temperatures return to our area. This evening, we're going to drop to 80 degrees by 8 p.m. with partly cloudy skies, staying partly cloudy by 10, dropping to 75 degrees, and dropping to 71 once we get around to midnight. Winds coming from the east between 5 to 10 miles per hour. Tonight, here in the Lafayette area, we'll drop to 67 degrees, staying partly cloudy with a cool and pleasant overnight period. Winds coming from the east at 0 to 5 miles per hour. Other areas, we are going to fall into the upper 60s, 66 in Monticello, 67 Winnemac, 66 Rochester, 67 degrees in Logansport, and 69 degrees down in Covington. To start off tomorrow, we're going to see mostly sunny skies. Temperature 71 degrees, climbing up to 82 by noon, still staying dry with partly cloudy skies. But once we get into the afternoon hours, we have a chance for an isolated thunderstorm to pop up with temperatures climbing up into the upper 80s across the area. 86 for Monticello, 87 Remington, 86 for Fowler. In here in Lafayette, a high of 87 degrees, 88 down in Crawfordsville. Futurecast shows the first part of the day on Sunday. They will start at 7 o'clock in the morning. We start to stay dry, and we stay dry even through lunch, but once we get past 2 o'clock, this actually is very overwhelming seeing all this rain, but I'm thinking it's going to be more isolated and pop up. And once we get into the overnight period into Monday morning, it looks like we're going to dry up a little bit and have a dry start to your Monday. We're going to bump up a couple degrees on Monday with highs in the upper 80s. Once again, a high of 88 degrees for Lafayette. Taking a look at our next 7 days, we have numerous chances for thunderstorms, but they are small percentages. And that's because we have isolated chances, pop-up thunderstorms with these warm temperatures. But check out these temperatures, a high of 89 degrees by Tuesday, 90 degrees by Wednesday. Still seeing a 20% chance for a thunderstorm on Wednesday, 89 back on Thursday, and then we stay in the 80s for the rest of the week.